Welcome everybody to Bullseye Trading Trade Lesson of the Day. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is June 4th, 2020. I'm going to share with you a trade that I was in recently and got out of yesterday for a very, very good solid profit. I'm going to show you exactly the pattern and how I did it, and I think this is a very good chart to teach on. So the stock was Rio Tinto, RIO, and they're a metals and mining company. And what you're going to see here is that the stock put a low in March like everything else. And you can see it rallied up and then it was consolidating. And I really wasn't paying much attention to the name, but I did catch the stock move up into the 200 period moving average. And I saw that and I said, oh, wow, it's breaking out of this range, but it's also into a lot of resistance here. And what I noticed is that it closed a little bit higher and then it pulled back right into that same candle. And notice the black line here. You're going to notice that's a 200-day moving average. And we entered that play, and sure enough, stock moved up right into our target level. And again, that was right around $56.90. So really terrific move. But sometimes you don't have to catch the move off of the low. You can see the pattern and you can tell where it's going to go to. Now, how do we know, or how did I know it's going to go to around that $57 area? That's the $1 million question. Well, there are lots of tools that you can use to find out where stocks are going to go. And I'm going to share one with you. And this is something that I teach in many of the courses that I do, whether it's the In the Money Stocks Methodology course or many of the others. But what you'll see is if you just take this low right here and you just draw a line up all the way up to this range, and I'm basically connecting it to this pivot. So you take that line, you just measure it. So $36 takes you up to around $48, $49, and you just copy that line. If you have a good software like eSignal, you could do that. And then you just copy it right here, and look where it takes you. It takes you right up to around that same level. So again, we know the target for this stock ultimately is going to be right in that area. And yesterday had a really, really good solid move in the market. I took the chip off the table and we locked in our profit. But there you go. It's just using market symmetry. And I teach a lot of this in a lot of different variations and ways. But ultimately, that's what makes money in the market. You just got to look at these patterns and you got to look at how they set up and the formations that they make. And that's the market's way of talking to you. Markets don't always go straight up in a straight line. They pull back. That's the natural ebb and flow. So again, hopefully this video will help some traders going forward. A lot of traders have emailed me about it saying, why did you get into that trade? It already made a move higher. What were you looking for? I thought that was into resistance, but you could see the ultimate target on the trade is still higher. And that's why we were able to enter the play here and caught a really, really nice gain. So again, if you have not checked Bullseye Trading out, I would suggest that you come over, check it out, see what it's all about. Again, we use all just the methodology techniques, strict mathematical principles to make money. Here's our track record right here, live time. We also have a couple of other plays that are live right now that we've already taken first profit on as well. So we've already banked some money today, and that's nice to see. Again, check it out, Bullseye Trading. My name is Nick Santiago. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.